up, AV Nation? Welcome back to another Disney vlog. Today is the second day at Disney, and welcome to today's vlog, guys. We're going to Blizzard Beach all day, and then we're gonna go to Cape May Cafe, which is at the Yacht and Beach Club, and then we're gonna swim there. It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. We're gonna go to the water park right now, so let's go.
We're going to Blizzard Beach.
What water park are we going to, Lexi?
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach. Nick?
What?
What do you want to do at Blizzard Beach?
Oh, I know! And the icebergs!
Icebergs? We're leaving the camera.
Enough of those LED puck lights out to 51 and 43.
Is that supposed to be the Riviera or whatever?
With every single children in there.
Well, would you ever go on Pirates or Tower of Terror, Alex?
Okay, guys, we have made it to Blizzard Beach. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna go to the GoPro right now.
I can't wait to go on the kiddie
Does
area.
anybody need anything out of the big backpack? And do you want that free thing?
Okay, guys, we're going on a tube slide. Might be him.
Sounds like it.
Yeah. Hey, Nick! Lexi, that's yours, Lexi.
Why not put Sunday?
It's hers? It's hot fudge. It is hot. Is it good? It's like hot. Okay, guys, so we are all done at the water park. We're gonna head back to our resort, change, and we're gonna go to dinner. Okay, guys, we made it to the beach club for our dinner at Cape May. Is that right, Lexi?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Cape May.
Look at this cool. Wow. Look at this cool car.
Are you able to get in this?
And no.
What?
I think it'd be the long one.
Right now we're going up on the big water slide. Whoa! Ah! Ah!
Okay, AV Nation, I will see you guys tomorrow for another Disney vlog. Can't believe tomorrow's already our 3rd day in Disney. This trip's going too fast, guys. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're all pretty much in bed. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm pretty tired. And I'm sitting here editing it. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, guys, summer's bigger and better. Alex out. Peace.